What is MBBR in sewage treatment? Have you ever thought about where your sewage goes? Most of it flows untreated into our lakes and rivers, polluting the environment and even contaminating groundwater. At 𝗠𝗕𝗕𝗥𝗏, with over 20 years of expertise, we bring world-class sewage treatment solutions like MBBR to solve this growing crisis. MBBR, Moving Bed Biofilm Reactor, is a cutting-edge technology that uses thousands of tiny floating plastic carriers inside treatment tanks. These carriers provide a massive surface area for bacteria to grow and break down harmful pollutants naturally. Unlike traditional sewage treatment systems, MBBR is compact, energy efficient, and requires minimal maintenance. That means lower costs and hassle-free operation. Low maintenance and operator-free handles high loads efficiently generates less sludge, reducing disposal costs, saves space and energy. A sustainable solution. Visit us at 𝗏𝗏𝗏.com. Call +918501006000. Follow us for expert insights on wastewater treatment. 𝗠𝗕𝗕𝗥𝗏 is committed to delivering world-class sewage treatment solutions. Want to find the best STP technology for your project? Let's talk.